Hi guys, TinaGale here, and I thought I would share a little Tuesday morning haul video for you today. My husband and I got away for a few days down in Texas to go to Canton for their trade days and do a little IKEA shopping. So I bought more furniture for my studio. And then, of course, anytime I am out traveling, I put on my Google Maps Tuesday morning and I find them all and we just dart off to them. Most everything I bought was from one that we stopped at, and it was in Grapevine, and it was the best Tuesday morning I have ever been to. They had so much stuff, and if I did not have paper and supplies coming out my ears, I would have totally brought home probably the whole store. But the way it was, I bought just a few things, and things that I had been looking for quite a while on some of it. So starting off, Vicky Bouton's die cut frames. I have some of these pieces that had come in a scrap room kit, and I loved them. And so I picked them up. They had the two different ones, the ones that were shapes, and then this one that's more of like labels and stuff. I love these like this just to tuck in because you can start your embellishment clusters, but then it gives you a place to do your journaling. So I picked those up, and I'm kind of regretting not picking up two of them for $1.99. Should have. This is just a little collage kit. So I just thought it was cute. It's got a little canvas piece, wood veneer, a doily, just different little textures, and then some stickers as well. So just something fun to do some little home decor projects that I have in my mind. That's why I picked that up. The alignment guide, I have seen the one that has like the really sharp arch, and I wasn't really interested in that. I very seldom will put a title on a curve or anything like that. I mainly wanted it for this straight one, which I use my ruler for it, but I'd been looking for this particular one that had the straight ruler and then these, so that if I did have a layout that I wanted to kind of curve or whatever, I could. So I found that one for $4.99, so it's got the 5 different guides in there, so I was happy to find it. This little alphabet is Everyday Set 2 from American Crafts. I love my alphabets, and this one had a ton. I usually count the E's in any of the alphabets. I don't know if anybody else does that before they buy one, and my minimum is 5. If there's not 5 E's, I won't buy the alphabet. Don't ask me why I pick the E's, but I guess that's just what I run out of most before I run out of everything else that I can create a title with. So it's just kind of become my go-to to look. And this one had an entire row plus some, which I know these usually do have a lot more. But so I'm going to get a lot of titles out of that one. So $1.49. And if you've been watching my 4 for 4 layouts, you heard my challenge to use my alphabets for my titles because I love to collect them. You can see, bought another one because I love them, but I don't use them as much as I buy them. So I guess I was inspired because I did actually create a title for a few titles. And then this is Maggie Holmes. Love the colors in this collection, and I can't pass up embellishments. And then it had this alphabet down here. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 E's. So it passes the test, and I'll buy it. I'm curious if anybody else has anything like that that they check before they buy alphabets. Leave your comments down below if you have a standard or a thing, if it's alphabets or even something else that you look for, or even paper pads, because I have to have a certain amount of papers in a paper pad before I'll buy it as well. So this one is from Cartabella. Love Cartabella. This one is the So Lovely collection. And again, it just has that color scheme that I love, and some really cool papers. I guess I could open that. Even though I don't sew a lot, I have a family that does, my mom, sisters, but even not sewing, it's just creative. soft pinks. I love that it has the touch of navy in with the aqua and the pinks. And I love having little border strips to embellish with. So even though I don't have maybe embellishing stickers that go with this, I don't need them when I have paper that I can cut up as embellishments and die cuts and different things. Always love text paper. Little spools, and then it repeats. So I love 6x6 because of the small designs, and I loved the colors in that. You can tell that even will match very well with those embellishments. Then Tim Holtz stamps. I've been wanting these since they first came out, especially this little snowman is the one that I was going to get in the bigger size. My husband is a builder, and so having just the little blueprint design I thought was too perfect to do Christmas cards for him and his business. And when I found these, I literally squealed in the store, and my husband thought a mouse ran up or something. You know, he just could not figure out, because I don't do things like that. So then when I showed him, he knew that I had been looking for it for a long time. So I not only found the one with the snowman, I also got the one that was the fall, and they had other ones as well. But these were the two that I love, so I picked those up. A die with banners, so there's 3 different sizes and 3 different types for $4.99. So really excited about that. And this doily die. It's just gorgeous, and it's so delicate. So even though I could cut things on my silhouette, it's hard a lot of times with something this delicate. And for that price, I can do that. And then you can never have too many puffy hearts. So I bought 2 packages of these. So it's $1.99 for 52. So I have 104 gold puffy hearts. So excited. So that was my Tuesday morning haul. And then I also went to IKEA, which I may share on Instagram or something once I get all the furniture put together, some of the new additions. Stopped at some Hobby Lobbies, the Little Blue House. Got some really cool things from Little Blue House. One of those are paint. So some of the chalk paint that they use. So I got some gray, well, it's cobblestone, and vanilla frosting to do some cabinets and some little decorations that I've been wanting to paint. And I love the stuff that they do with it. And so I had decided I was going to look at it and talk to them about kind of how to put it on and do different things. So they definitely sold me on that. And I would have bought a big tub of this, but they didn't have it. So I'm going to have to order that. I think that's all I have to share right now. So the rest you'll just be seeing in projects or on my Instagram feed of home decor projects that I bought kits for or something like that to make, or supplies to make. So I hope you enjoyed that little Tuesday morning haul. I know I don't get there very often, and I'm always jealous when I see other people and what they get. So that's one reason why when we go on vacation, I actively seek them out. Enjoy. I hope you're doing something creative today, and I will see you back here soon with a process video. So have a great day. Bye-bye.